Good afternoon. Welcome to the deleting from list and slices tutorial from Godbrain Games. My name is Wale. Here's our plan for the day. We're gonna delete from the beginning of a list or slice from the beginning of a list to a certain location on a list. Then we're just gonna slice the middle chunk of a list, and we'll slice from some location to the end of a list. And we'll finish up by slicing the whole list. The script's on my GitHub if you want to just copy and paste it into an IDE with me. All right. So for a beginning of a list, it's 0 base, by the way, to make it easier. So 0 to 9 is what's actually happening right there. So from the beginning location to the fourth location is the semicolon with the 4. I'm assuming you know how to make a list for the tutorial, but it's up there anyways. It's just brackets. It's pretty simple. So deleting from a list, it's just from the beginning of the list to a spot is the semicolon with the 4. Well, semicolon with whatever location. So it'll take the first 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, but the rest are gone. So this, I guess, I just think of it as this. That's the that's the last number that's the last spot that'll be gone. And that's pretty much it. There's no real trick to that one. Chunk from a list is it'll take the first number, but it won't take the last number, and it'll take the first location, but it won't take the last location. So after our slice that we did in the beginning, our new list positions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're slicing 0, 1. Oh, we're not slicing, but so we want the 0, 1, 2. That's the second one, so this should be gone all the way to, and the 9 should stay. So the 7 and 8 should be gone because it's the first element, and then the last element just is safe, I guess. So that's gone, and we can extend it to make sure to show you that the 9 will be gone if I go one more number. Boom. All right, so the 9's gone, and we just, because it stops right there. And let's see, somewhere to the end, let me not cut as much out so we can have some more. Well, I'll put the 9 back in for our next example, which is beginning from somewhere to the end. It's just that semicolon or colon again, but first you put the but this time you put the number first for what you want to stop at. So here, this is our new list after that last move. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and we're cutting from the second position to the end. So it should be that's not right, but it is right, because second position is since 0, 0, 1, 2, so the 2 on is gone because it always takes the first number anyways, and it always takes the first number anyways, and we're using the slice to the end button or move, so everything from the second position is gone. And I can switch it so I can show you what the first number would be all the way gone, so it should only be one element left, which I believe is a 5, but one element left anyways. Yeah, just a 5. because it doesn't matter. Once it's the first number, first position, and everything else on, it's really easy to remember. And our final one, we're going to delete from a whole list, or slice a whole list. We create a second list for that. I'm so glad I can delete all this top list because it just irks me. All right, so our second list, make sure there's no errors. It should only be our second list on that page. Yeah, so this is our whole second list right here. And you probably could have guessed to slice all of it. It's just a semicolon or colon. By next video, I'll probably know what that's actually called. But it's just this. And then if you try and, just delete this. And that's really it. It'll pop out as just closed brackets when it's completely done. Let's see, I can show you that because that's pretty much the end of it. Boom. So this is printing out what it would print out. I mean, yes. So yeah, close brackets right there. Nothing in the list anymore. And that's it. Leave any comments or questions in the in the comments section, I guess. More web development coming for sure. Probably some more Python 2. Oh, definitely some more Python 2 because we're doing that on the web development pages. We're going to build a data managing, tracking website. So like for statistics for like baseball and stuff like that, or in healthcare. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Bye.